GLÜCK, established in 2015, offers solutions including AI and AOI automatic optical inspection equipment, optical inspection software development, 2D, 3D measurement, enhancing visual capabilities for automated manufacturers, AI defect classification, and customized inspection for specific needs. GLÜCK have served industry as electronics, automotive, food biotechnology, and plumbing in the past. Now let's welcome Mr. Chiu, CTO of GLÜCK Company Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day. I am Chiu. GLÜCK is an AOI system integration company. Thank you very much for joining us today. Together, we are going to explore the topic, Revolution of Intelligence, application of AI and AOI in the industrial and agricultural sectors. In the time ahead, we will delve into the key application of these two fields and how they shape the modern industrial landscape. AOI is a broad-reaching technology that typically encompasses four main functions. We will walk you through each of these functions one by one and demonstrate their real-world applications in various industries. These functions collectively enable AOI to provide comprehensive inspection and quality control solutions in various industries, including electronics manufacturing, automotive, and more. First, and most important function of AOI is inspection. AOI system inspect product or components for defects, irregularities, or deviation from quality standards. This function involves detecting visual anomalies and identifying areas that require further examination. I will show you some cases about the inspection area. Application of inspection is a critical step in modern manufacturing. It combines highly precise optical systems and algorithms to inspect the products during the manufacturing process to ensure they meet design specification and quality standards. AOI inspection is commonly used to detect issues such as defect, incorrect assembly, faulty soldering, missing component, and more. In this slide, we have assisted the FPD industrial with film material inspection applications, such as polarizer and LED panel. This application is used for the inspection of the final cleaning station for polarizers. After inspection, the product can be packaged for shipment. Therefore, it must encompass all possible defects, and the conveyor speed must reach 40 meters per minute. Okay, and another FPD case. This case involving the illumination inspection of LED panel. It can be used to check for defects on the panel and provide coordinates for laser repair machine to perform rework on panel. And this case is a stencil inspection equipment that is used in the SMT process. We can see the video on the left-hand side. It is covered with thousands of small holes, and precise control of the location and the quantity of the solder passing through is essential. Any blockage of a single hole can result in a failure of a PCB board, which is why AOI technology is required to identify the location of defects. The next slide, we will show you in the agriculture or industrial, there is often a need to inspect powdered, such as coffee beans, milk powder, plastic particle. This equipment primarily demonstrates the successful use of AI technology to perform comprehensive inspection and classification of large quantities of raw materials. The system uses line scan camera and customized lighting to ensure that every defect is detected. Also, in the semiconductor industrial, we will combine AI and AOI technology to achieve macro-level inspection of wafers to identify obvious objects. There is no need to train a golden sample in advance. We call it the die-to-die self-matching strategy. The inspection of the wafer can be completed in just 10 seconds. We can see the image in the slides. It contains a lot of defect on the wafer, and you can see the defect can be segmented successfully. In the end of the inspection slide, we will show you the AI random texture defect detection. AI technology is effective in detection defects within complex and random background, but it is not easy to traditional AI method. Therefore, when facing complex inspection challenge, combined AI and AOI is the feature trend. You can see the image in the slide. Both white dirt and transparent residue can be detected successfully by AI technology. Okay, let's talk about the second main function of the AOI. It's called recognition. AOI can recognize and classify objects or features within an image, such as identifying components on a PC board. This function often involves pattern recognition, machine learning, and deep learning. We all know that AI is very important in deep learning technology. In this slide, I will show you the application of recognition and classification. This function can be applied to license plate recognition, barcode recognition, or OCR, facial or fingerprint recognition, as well as agricultural pest identification. The operation of AOI recognition function similarity to human vision, but with greater speed and accuracy. In this slide, I will show you the AI defect classification. In the industrial sector, defect classification can help us identify the true causes of defects in the manufacturing process. Therefore, after identifying defects through inspection, AI classification models can provide statistics on the quantity of each type of defect, assisting in process improvement. You can see a lot of defect in the slide. You cannot just use your machine vision technology to distinguish the different from each other. And next slide is very useful application. We use the AI to occupational safety equipment recognition. Through relevant AI technologies like YOLO, we can easily identify safety helmets, vests, gloves, masks, and other equipment in the image. You can see the video in the slide. We can segment each equipment easily, ensuring a safe working environment. Additionally, we can analyze whether any risky movements occur among personnel, further enhancing workspace safety. You can see the video including a lot of milk cattle. In the field of the cattle management, the ability to accurately identify the estrus period of a cattle is very important. It enables us to achieve optimal mating at precisely the right time. This significantly increases the success rate of artificial insemination. Moreover, it plays a critical role in enhancing milk production. Finally, benefiting both cattle ranchers and the dairy industry as a whole. In this slide, I will show you some agricultural applications. In the field of agriculture, the most challenging aspect is the variation in the shape of products, making it difficult for traditional AOI method to distinguish. Therefore, AI technology can effectively address this bottleneck, allowing for successful counting of the items in images, whether it's fruits, coffee beans, or capsules. You can see the slide, it including a lot of different shaped coffee beans. And using AI for coffee bean counting and defect detection is faster and more accurate than traditional method. It also reduces the risk of the misjudgment caused by variations in coffee bean size. AI can rapidly detect and differentiate defective beans, such as damaged, moldy, or abnormally shaped ones. This helps prevent defective products from entering the market, maintaining product reputation. AI systems can operate around the clock without the need for breaks, ensuring uninterrupted production line. And then I will share the third function in this slide. We will talk about the measurement. AOI systems can measure various aspects of an object, such as dimensions, distance, angles, or component placements. This function is crucial for ensuring precise product specifications are met. Next slide, I will show you the application of measurement. The measuring function can measure various attributes of a product or component. including dimension, distance, angle, and more. This function is crucial in the manufacturing process as it ensures that the product size and position met the specification requirement. This can be applied across various industries, measuring chip dimensions in semiconductor manufacturing, checking component size in the automotive industry, and monitoring crop size in agriculture. And this slide is the 3D measurement system. This system demonstrates the measurement technology for 3D golf club heads. Requires the integration of 3D point cloud and normal vector calculations to ensure the product dimension completely meet the specification. You can see the image inside. The club head is very complex and you can easily select the coordinate to calculate the normal vector angle. Next slide is very useful system. The AOI module of the PCR packing line. During the pandemic, we also assisted a PCR production line with the quantity monitoring of aluminum film sealing. We used the spatial lighting strategy to find the leakage of the seal and ensuring uniform liquid level of the reagent. You can see the video. It is the PCR manufacturing packing line. In the last slide of the measurement, we will show you the wafer overlap and oblique detection. Measurement technology can also be applied to calculate the quantity and orientation of wafers. In the event of the incident, like a wafer overlapping, misalignment or incorrect quantity inside the wafer cassette, it can trigger immediately alarm and hold the lot, thereby reducing the loss of wafers. Okay, it is the last function of the AOI. We call it positioning. Positioning, AOI helps determine the exact position for alignment of components or features on the product or within an assembly. This function aids in ensuring accurate assembly and quality control. This function collectively enable AOI to provide comprehensive inspection and quality control solutions in various industries, including electronics manufacturing, automotive, and more. And I will show you the application of the position in the next slide. This is crucial in various industries such as chip alignment in semiconductor manufacturing, welding alignment in electronic component assembly, and component assembly on production line. And this slide is related to contact lens. Contact lens require the plastic molds and color printing technology, but the patterns often get misaligned, ending up not in the center of the lens. We have developed an alignment system for contact lens printing that reduces misalignment issue during production. This system also saves time that would otherwise be spent adjusting machine coordination. This is the final case related to positioning. It's a copper foil coating device equipped with 2 sets of optical lenses. The first camera is used for copper foil pick and place, while the second camera is used for coating positioning. It is a typical AOI guidance case where the successful identification of the copper foil. It relies on integration of AI and AOI, significantly enhancing the system's stability. Before we conclude today's presentation, we have revisited the 4 main functions of the AOI technology: inspection, recognition, measurement, and positioning. These functions have played a critical role not only in the industrial sector, but also in areas such as agriculture and healthcare. Our company has accumulated many successful cases in various fields, including semiconductors, FPD, PCB, biotechnology, and agriculture. Thank you for your attention. We're looking forward to creating successful stories together in the future. Thank you. I'm Chiu.
And thank you all for your participation and attention. We hope today's forum can bring you a lot of valuable insights and takeaways. Thank you again.